Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Boston and you're watching BCStrike Productions. And so today we are going to be doing a set build. But before we go do that, hit that like button and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And if I hit 20 likes on this video, might not sound like a lot, but it's a good amount. If I hit 20 likes on this video, I would do a stop motion video with this set. So let's go do it. So today we've got the Lego Jurassic World Baby Dr. Wu's Lab Baby Dinosaurs Breakout. And as you can see, this is a pretty sweet set. It's number 75939. It's ages 6 and up, and it's got 164 pieces. As you can see, you got cool little, some cool features, sink and dinosaurs, baby dinosaurs. A sink right there is pretty sweet. A little like handle piece that you push and it pops the glass out, and an egg holder. So yeah, let's get building. Well, we finally finished building. I hope you can see this right. We finally finished building. It's got some pretty sweet features, so let's go check it out. And then there's this little cool scientific like table that has a stethoscope with a cool little I don't know the word for it, but it has the chemical or the germ or whatever it's called. And then you got cool little tranquilizer darts there, the signature fossilized mosquito or bug, cool little computer, as you can see. A baby bottle, it's pretty sweet, and then a tranquilizer gun. Then we have the main attraction, main area. So right here we've got a cool little glass gate with the Triceratops saying the Triceratops goes there. We've got little data on the Triceratops there, a little like power sign, tells you what's going on in the park, some more data about the egg, data about the other dinosaur. If we come over to this, we've got a pretty sweet egg, I can't think of the word right now, but the thing that keeps the eggs alive and grows them. If you open it up right here, you can actually take the claw, go down. What's cool is it's actually just strong enough to pick up one of these, so you can grab it. Oh no, don't break on me, no. Sorry about that, guys. But you can actually pick up an egg. It's got like just enough power to lift it and just kind of, but yeah, it gives you 2 cool eggs. And this claw actually folds up many different ways. It can fold like that. It can spin 360. It's pretty sweet. We go to the back. In the Triceratops area, there's actually a sink, which I think is pretty sweet because those are hard to come by. But a little sink, little area for the water, some sweet plants that they don't make a ton of these in sets, but they're pretty sweet. They just click on there. Here's one of the cool interactions. This right here, if you want to make a cool little stop motion or just playing have fun, you can have the dinosaur here, have him jump up, and then hit this and runs out. And I find that pretty sweet. That's pretty cool when it comes to the features of this set. So yeah, I find that pretty sweet. And then you want to just put it up, just click it back into place and voila. But anyway, if you come to the back of this, there's actually some pretty sweet like buttons back here. I don't know if you can see it with the bad lighting, but there's like some wires and buttons that you can just like control the area with. But there it is. There is Dr. Wu's lab. Well, hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this speed build. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want more awesome speed builds like this. So yeah, see you later. Catch you in the next video.